Press and hold the side button, usually on the right, for 3 to 5 seconds to turn it on. The screen should light up and show the time or a welcome screen. Look in your watch's manual, on the box packaging, or on the watch itself. Go to Settings About or similar menu on the watch. Some models display a QR code there. Use your phone's camera or QR scanner to scan it. This will redirect you to download the DaFit app from the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone. Allow permissions for notifications, location, Bluetooth, etc. Grant all when prompted. This is crucial for pairing and features like calls notifications. In the app, go to the Device tab, often at the bottom, or look for a plus, Add Device icon in the top right. Tap Add Device or Bind Device. The app will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the watch is powered on and close by, about 1 to 2 meters. Your G53 should appear in the list. It might show as G53, a generic name like Smartwatch, a model code. Select it to pair. Android, it usually connects directly. iPhone, a Bluetooth pairing request pop-up will appear. Tap Pair or Connect, then allow any follow-up permissions. The watch may vibrate or show a connected icon once successful. The app will sync time date automatically, along with steps calories if already tracked. After connecting in the app, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, Settings, Bluetooth. Find the watch, often listed as G53 or a similar name, and tap to connect. Pair it there too. This enables call audio. In the DaFit app,